CPD Modules. Continuing Professional Development, or CPD, refers to the continuous process of learning new skills and knowledge, both through formal learning and informal study. This includes all sorts of online courses, traditional workshops, conferences, or even private study. At CPD Courses for Professional Developments, our primary goal is to make ongoing professional development affordable, accessible, and enjoyable. You can choose from a dynamic range of informative tutorials or individual modules, providing detailed insights into more specialist skills and knowledge areas. These modules can be studied as part of a whole course or as an individual learning activity. On completion of each bite-sized module, you can claim a certificate worth 10 CPD Continuing Professional Development points or credits. When you study with CPD, there are no deadlines, no time restrictions, and no classroom visits required. Study in your own time and at your own pace, with full tutor support whenever you need it. We offer hundreds of CPD modules across multiple subject areas: accounting, business, event management, fashion, interior designing, management, project management, supply chain, travel and tourism, and many more. Take control of your future today with the help of CPD. Choose from a range of our fully endorsed CPD individual modules. Don't delay, start today. Contact us, info@cpdcourses.com. cpdcourses.com, facebook.com/cpdcourses, twitter.com/cpdcoursesuk.